Hello. So I want to do a really short video today on around the idea of goals, okay? Because I see a huge mistake in goal setting with the women that I work with, and my clients, once they make this shift and use this tip, it is a part of why they can really change past failures with weight loss goals and health goals into successes that are sustainable. So a major problem that I see you guys making is that when you're setting goals, you're setting what I would call outcome goals, okay? And you need to really think about the effort that needs to come before the outcome. And specifically, you need to really focus on this effort when you're setting goals. So what I mean by that is most women set or create what I call an outcome goal. For example, you'll say, I want to lose 25 pounds or 40 pounds or whatever. I want to get healthy and fit this year. I want to wear a size 8 or 10 slacks or dress, right? And so that's focused on the outcome. What you need to do is focus on the effort and set effort goals. Goals that focus on the effort that's required to get the result that you want. For example, you might have thought about a goal in the past as, like I said, setting a goal of reaching or losing 25 pounds. Instead, you want to focus on the effort that it will take to get to that outcome or that result and set a goal like this. It might sound any number of ways, but here are some examples. I will work out 3 times every week. I will have vegetables with every meal. You see the difference between that shift? This kind of shift really takes work on changing your mindset. And I know that sounds simple, but it's a lot more complicated than just deciding, okay, today I'm going to shift to focus on my effort. But that kind of shift with really good guidance around how to do it, how to implement strategies to do that, it's absolutely vital that you're able to do that and you can practice it, because that's really a huge part of reaching your health and your weight loss goals. And that's why I really work a lot on this shift with my clients. And I've gotten really good at helping them to make those kinds of mental shifts. And it's really a huge part of why in the past they've not been able to lose weight at all. And once we start working together and we do focus on things that matter, that are sustainable, that really result in change that lasts for them, it's why they reach the goals that they do. Now, I know this was a really quick video and a quick tip, and it's not a total solution, you guys. I realize that, but I want to give you things that you can actually act on right now. So it's not a total solution. That's something we would have to work together on, but it's a great place for you to start by changing the kinds of goals that you're setting for yourself. Instead of setting those outcome goals that really set you up for the same kind of failure you've had in the past, set effort goals, then track your outcomes and watch the change that happens. This can be a huge change for you, a huge positive change for you in the way you reach results versus your past experiences of failing over and over again. So I would love for you to drop a comment about how this resonates with you, what takeaway you had, how helpful it is, or even write a goal that you've had in the past in the comments and revise it into an effort goal and let us see you actually put this tip into implementation today.